GFCI breaker pigtails do not require coiling in the installation. The pigtails are intended to provide flexibility for connecting to the load and supply conductors. Coiling them unnecessarily may restrict current flow and lead to overheating or tripping. There are several possible causes of nuisance tripping. Firstly, compact fluorescent lighting fixtures have electronic ballasts that can generate transient surges upon startup. These surges can be detected by the GFCI breaker and cause nuisance tripping. Secondly, loose ground connections in receptacles or fixtures can provide a path for leakage currents, triggering the GFCI breaker. Thirdly, damaged or loose wiring, especially in the load side of the circuit, can create arc faults or ground faults that can trip the GFCI breaker. Finally, if the GFCI breaker itself is defective, it may trip without an actual fault. Here are some troubleshooting steps to consider. 1. Check the wiring. Inspect all connections in the circuit, including receptacles, fixtures, and the GFCI breaker itself. Tighten any loose connections and ensure correct polarity. 2. Replace the fluorescent lighting fixtures. If possible, try replacing the compact fluorescent fixtures with LED fixtures to eliminate the potential ballast issues. 3. Try a different GFCI breaker. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, try replacing the GFCI breaker with a new one from a reputable brand. 4. Contact an electrician. If you are unable to identify and fix the problem yourself, it is best to contact a qualified electrician to investigate further. Since the circuit includes a bathroom exhaust fan that requires GFCI protection, it is recommended to keep the GFCI breaker in place. However, you can consider reconfiguring the circuit as follows. Firstly, provide a dedicated GFCI receptacle for the exhaust fan, and secondly, protect the lighting circuit with a standard circuit breaker. This will ensure GFCI protection for the fan while eliminating the potential for nuisance tripping from the fluorescent lighting fixtures.